Hi everybody and welcome back. Today's project is just a tune-up. Safety first. What to consider when tuning up a bike. Drivetrain, brakes, the cockpit, the bottom bracket area, hubs, screwing the wheel, and so. Why? To make sure that the bicycle is functioning well and for safety of the rider. Cockpit and make sure it's flowing good. Right and the left. This is smooth. Nothing like a sandy feel, like a creaking noise, nothing. I want to check over if the stem is aligned to the front wheel. Brakes, that's a good distance for hydraulics type. Of course, the bell. Dropper post switch, functioning. Now on a cockpit, I want to make sure that the headset is still in good condition. Smooth, that's a good sign. And I want to see if the tightness is okay. No knocking problem. Nothing is loose. That's solid. That's good. Brakes are good on the cockpit. The dropper post levers, the shifters are good. But on the shifter, I will get into that later on the tune-up process. My second is the drivetrain. Of course, drivetrain, I need to check over the command line. What I meant about the command line is the shifter. I want to see if it's free flowing and shifting well. Because what happened in most cases, if it's not shifting well, there must be a problem with the cable, the housing, and the derailleur. I want to check it right now. It seems so smooth and functioning well. I normally check the limits of the rear derailleur. So without touching the shifter, I will move this derailleur to the biggest cog. That's a bad sign. See that? So the limits is actually off. As you see earlier, we have a problem going to the biggest. It's slipping inside the biggest cog. So what I am going to do is adjust the limits. This bolt here is for the largest, and this bolt here is for the smallest cog. So what I'm going to do, I will adjust this bolt. Just a turn. And let's see. There you go. So it's not slipping inside. And it seems that we don't have a problem on the smallest cog. I am still on the drivetrain section. I want to make sure that there is no teeter-totter or wobble. On the crank arm, because that's a bad sign on the bottom bracket area. Bottom bracket area is where the axle is going through. This seems pretty solid. I'm going to take the chain off, make sure that it's rotating smoothly. Wow, butter and better. Backwards, forward. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put the chain back on. Now, whenever I do a tune-up, I always pre-wash the drivetrain or clean up the drivetrain and do a bike wash.
Nag-break. Kaya yan na. Ilang, ilang minuto lang na magtrabaho. Kaya lalabas na yung minuto. Sabi, pag dumating yung Pilipino na... Saan kami umasya?
Now, what I'm going to do is put a dry lube, because it's summer here in Toronto, on the chain, and some wet lube on the moving parts on the derailleur. Okay, let's do this to spread the lube on the cogs. Tightness of the wheel. A-okay, it's tight. Check over pedals. Tight. Number 5. Tight. Oh, that's not tight. I'm glad I checked it over. Now, it looks like I'm going to dance around the bike. I'm just kidding. What I meant is I'm gonna go all over. Yeah, this is tight. Now I'm gonna check all those link and moving parts if they're all tight. I know it's already torqued at its safety net. I want to make sure. That's what a tune-up is. Make sure that the rider is safe. After doing a pre-wash, I took off the wheel and I did a check over on the brake pads and dry it up after. This seems a good sign. No squeaking because it's all cleaned up and it's braking solid nicely and grabbing the rotors on a good spot. Check over on brake pads wear and tear. You can see it from here. I'm gonna check over the alignment of the rim. Check over the alignment of the rear wheel or rim. Tune up is done. Nothing major of a concern on the bits and the pieces of this Trance 3 Giant. Bike is in good condition. Wheels are like brand new. It's all true. Tension of the spoke is good. Drivetrain again is good. It's just a little bit of adjustment on the limits. So shifting is a-okay. Cockpit, the links, everything is all in good shape. Shout out to you, Peter Garcia, the owner of the Trans 3, and thank you for supporting this channel. Now, Peter Garcia is a frontliner of Toronto. Thank you for staying with me today. I will see you again next time. Please stay safe, be safe, and ride safe.